Istobal MWash’2 automatic car wash machine. Fast, effective, reliable. Before starting the washing process, let's perform the necessary checks and maintenance. Clean the area and ensure there are no foreign objects in the machine's operating zone. Check the machine's chemical levels. If necessary, release the chemical airlocks by bleeding the air. Verify that the water and air pressures supplied to the machine are between 5 to 7 bar. Clean the photocells on the machine. There are a total of 10 photocells on the machine. Inspect the drying and horizontal brush belts. In case of any damage, notify the authorized service center. Ensure that there are no foreign objects tangled in the brushes. Check for any oil leaks from the motors. Lubricate the horizontal brush and dryer channels, as well as the wheel wash channels. Test that the emergency stop system is functioning correctly. Your machine is now ready for washing. Let's not forget that these maintenance and inspections are vital for the machine's healthy operation.